We are back here at Hoop Central with another all-new video, and here today we're talking about South Carolina women's basketball and their class of 2022 recruiting targets. We just put out a video about a month ago talking about South Carolina and their 2021 signing class, the players that will be joining the Gamecocks coming up this fall, but let's look at some of the players that could be with the team coming up in the fall of 2022. And we're going to start with 3 5-star prospects: Maya Enijai, Talaysia Cooper, and Ashlyn Watkins. Enijai, 6'3" forward out of Hopkins High School, has South Carolina in her finalist list, along with Arizona, UCLA, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Louisville, Maryland, Michigan, Oregon, Stanford, Vanderbilt, and Virginia. Cooper, a 6-foot point guard out of East Clarendon High School in Tuberville, South Carolina, was offered by South Carolina back in the summer of 2017, and obviously that was really early to be offering a player from the class of 2022, but they saw the talent in her then, they see it in her now. She's one of the top targets for them in this class. She does not have a finalist list out. Got to presume that South Carolina is the leader there, and same could be said for Ashlyn Watkins, 6'3" center out of Cardinal Newman School in Columbia, South Carolina, in-city recruit there for the Gamecocks. Both of those players, again, 5-star prospects here in this class. Now, the 4th target here on this list, who is not ranked, is out of Canada, is combo guard, 6-foot combo guard Tyna Todd out of Royal Crown School, and South Carolina is in her finalist list, along with UConn, Duke, Dayton, Georgia, Louisville, TCU, Mississippi State, Syracuse, and NC State. So these are the 4 targets for South Carolina here in the class of 2022 that they're really locking in on right now. And I think when you look at Maya Enijai and Ashlyn Watkins, I think they really want those two pretty badly, because when you look at the post situation that South Carolina will be facing in the fall of 2022, they're still going to have players there, but they're going to need some reinforcements coming up around that time. Enijai would be a great fit at 6'3", versatile, the ability to play inside, play some outside as well, get up and down the floor, rebound, clean the glass. She's just an outstanding prospect. Again, with her in particular, there's going to be a ton of competition because we talked about Louisville, Oregon, Stanford, some of the other schools on that list. With Cooper and Watkins, I think it's going to be just a huge advantage to have those two in state. Again, we mentioned for Watkins in city, and with Tyna Todd out of Ontario, there's, I think, a good chance that South Carolina could land her as well. I don't see them landing all 4 of these players. You know, again, they very well could. We saw Dawn Staley in 2019 bring 4 players in that maybe at one point or another were leans towards other schools. Brought in Aaliyah Boston, pulled her away out of the Northeast from where right out of UConn's backyard. We saw them get Amahir and Zia Cook out of Ohio, with Bria Beal as well. That's the ability South Carolina has to recruit. So we'll see how things go with SC here in this 2022 class. And again, these are the 4 targets: Maya Enijai, Tyna Todd, Talaysia Cooper, and Ashlyn Watkins. For more information on South Carolina women's basketball and anything hoops, check out Hoop Central on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.